Imagine a football team so skillful, so cohesive, that they redefined the very essence of the sport. A team that didn't just win matches, but captured the imagination of fans worldwide with their artistry on the field. This is the story of FC Barcelona, under the stewardship of Pep Guardiola, a team that many regard as the greatest football team ever assembled. Graham Hunter's book, Barca, The Making of the Greatest Team in the World, takes us on an enthralling journey through the inner workings of this legendary squad, revealing the secrets behind their unprecedented success. The rise of a football dynasty. Hunter's book begins by setting the stage for Barca's meteoric rise. The early 2000s were a period of turmoil for the club, with inconsistent performances and internal discord. However, the appointment of Pep Guardiola as head coach in 2008 marked a turning point. Guardiola, a former Barca player, brought with him a deep understanding of the club's philosophy, known as tiki-taka, a style of play characterized by short passing and maintaining possession. Guardiola's vision was clear. He wanted to create a team that didn't just play football, but played it in a way that was beautiful and dominant. He sought to revive the club's roots by promoting players from La Masia, Barca's famed youth academy. The likes of Lionel Messi, Xavi Hernandez, and Andres Iniesta became the pillars of his strategy. These players were not just talented, they embodied the Barca philosophy, a blend of technical skill, intelligence, and an unwavering commitment to teamwork. The Guardiola effect. Under Guardiola's leadership, Barca didn't just win, they dazzled. The 2008-2009 season was a historic one, with Barca becoming the first Spanish team to win the treble, La Liga, the Copa del Rey, and the UEFA Champions League. Hunter delves into the tactics that made this possible, from the high-pressing game to the fluidity of the players' movements. Guardiola's Barca was more than a team. It was a symphony, where each player knew his role perfectly and executed it with precision. Hunter also highlights Guardiola's unique approach to management. He wasn't just a coach, he was a mentor, a psychologist, and a strategist. He instilled in his players a sense of responsibility and a desire to constantly improve. Training sessions were intense, focusing on every detail, from positioning to decision-making. Guardiola's relentless pursuit of perfection pushed his players to new heights, and the results were evident on the pitch. Key players and iconic moments. Hunter's narrative is rich with anecdotes and insights into the key players who defined this era. Lionel Messi, often regarded as the greatest footballer of all time, was the jewel in Barca's crown. But Hunter also pays tribute to the less heralded figures, such as Sergio Busquets, whose intelligence and positional awareness were crucial to Barca's style of play. The book also captures the iconic moments that defined Barca's dominance, from the 6-2 demolition of Real Madrid at the Bernabeu to the 5-0 thrashing of the same rivals at the Camp Nou. These matches weren't just victories, they were statements, showcasing the superiority of Barca's football philosophy. As Hunter concludes, the legacy of Guardiola's Barca extends far beyond the trophies. They changed the way football was played and perceived. Their success wasn't just measured in titles, but in the joy and inspiration they brought to millions of fans worldwide. The influence of this team is still felt today, with many clubs and national teams adopting elements of the Barca style. That was all for today. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you.